In this tutorial, you will learn how to create two styles of sliding text effect. First, add the text you want, and then adjust the position of the text. Move the text to the left and out of the screen, and add a keyframe. Move the playhead 15 frames forward by holding Shift and pressing the right arrow key 3 times. Then, bring back the text to the center or desired position, and add a keyframe. Next, move the playhead another 15 frames forward, or the time duration you want the text to stay on the screen, and add a keyframe. Again, move the playhead 15 frames forward and position the text out of the screen. To make the animation smoother, select the first 2 keyframes, right-click, and select Temporal Interpolation, and then select Ease In. For the next 2 keyframes, select the Ease Out. To slide the text from a specific point on the screen, instead of coming out of the screen, we will use the masking technique. Draw a rectangular mask around the text. Then, adjust the position of the text outside the mask. Move the playhead 15 frames forward and add a keyframe. Then, adjust the position of the text back inside the mask. Next, move the playhead 15 frames forward and add a keyframe. This will make the text stay on the screen for a while. Again, move the playhead 15 frames forward and move the text outside the mask. Select the first 2 keyframes, right-click, and select Temporal Interpolation, and then select Ease In. For the next 2 keyframes, select the Ease Out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.